At Teatro Golden in Rome, we are excited to welcome James Price for two new masterclasses. The Meisner acting technique, open to all from April 28 to May 3, and scene study rehearsal technique for intermediate and advanced students only from May 5 to May 10. Each course offers two sessions daily, morning session from 9:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and afternoon session from 2:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Places are limited and classes will be conducted in English. Outstanding students may earn scholarships to the acting studio in New York City. Register by March 8 to save €100 on one course or $300 if you take both. For information and registration, email James Price from masterclass@gmail.com. Hey there! You see, James is waiting for you to join us.